Hey third graders, Mrs. Van Dyke here. I just wanted to jump on real quick and give you guys the update and announcement of who my two sharp students were for the week. All of you guys did so great at posting can-dos. So yeah, good job. And I just want to encourage you guys to keep working on those can-dos. Obviously do your must-dos first. And then if you need some extra practice on, whatever we're doing, like the grammar or the math, if you want some extra practice, you can always hop on and just do some can-dos, which will also earn you some points. Okay, so you can see there the leader this week was Zyra with 105. Jaden was a close second with 90 points. And then Brianna, Isabella Hudson all tied for 80, or with 80 points. Okay, so you guys are doing awesome. Just keep it up. Keep up the great work. Two sharp students this week were Zyra and Jaden. Great job at getting those can-dos in, but also just all your work that you guys turn in is super neat and nice handwriting, and you guys just are working hard, so thank you for that. You guys are awesome, but like I said, everyone's just doing so great. It's so great to see you guys get through this and turn in your work and be diligent in that. And yeah, I miss you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful spring break. All right, bye.